Hey y'all, Hillbilly here. Welcome back to Let's Play Wild Horse Rescue. Last time, we found a secret cave with some secrets. And something unprecedented, I actually guessed the contents of all three chests. Okay, so I did seriously doubt my guess on the third one, but it turned out to be what I said anyway. Yeah, two of them were coins and one of them was our first present. Oh, I was hoping I'd go off over here so I don't have to deal with the... Oh, I can, okay. Flies. Oh, no, I can't either. Okay, I guess if I can't see the flies, they're too high to bother us. Okay. Let's go collect the little girl and continue on the trail. We have already rescued the foal in this area. He's up there. There is a box up there. What's that? Okay, that. Hey, a boat. Oh, those flies are coming right to us. Get away, flies! Then they bother our... Oh, they did bother our horse. Hey, how do I get over there? Oh. This. I think I was just assuming this went up to something, but it's to get across. Probably too early for our second present. More coins. Yeah, we just got our present in that cave we started in. Is there something up there? Oh no, it's just the reflection of the water. Hope those flies aren't still bothering the horse. Sounds like they are. I don't even know what to do about them. They're not going to chase us through the whole level, are they? Kind of sounds like they are. What if we get in the water? Okay, that sounds like that's what gets rid of them. Barbie is not commenting on the boat. Does that mean it's yet another cool thing we can interact with? Oh, here's a carrot we can use.
Alright, our horse has got plenty of carrots and our friendship meter is full again. Let's ride! There's a turtle in the water. We should try to avoid him.
Okay. No comment on the boat. See anything else to grab over here? Yeah, just a wrecked boat. No coins in it or anything. Where's the turtle going? Oh, okay. Okay, just skirt around him, apparently. Anything out here? Nothing there. Down here. It's another safe point. Stop. Okay, the foal's got to be in there because we couldn't get it across either of these things. I don't believe. Just come down to see if there was anything here. So, I see you, coin. We'll get you. Well, actually, we can probably get it just by getting close enough with Barbie. Or not. If we were on the horse, we probably could have got it just by being close enough. Well, we've already got over half of them. A bit over half of them. Yeah, there's the foal. And our second present. And a carrot.
Don't be afraid.
This is foal number 3, I believe. Yeah, it's 3. At least 3. Pretty sure it's just 3.
Hey, Christy, it's Barbie. Another foal safe and sound. Can you send someone to take her back to the riding school?
Okay. Might as well jump that coin since we've got to jump to get over there anyway. We're too close. That messed up our friendship meter a little bit.
Giddy up!
Is there anything? Whoa, stop! Is there anything in there? Any reason to jump back over? Doesn't look like there is. Nothing down here, is there? No. Okay. Okay, looks like it wasn't such a bad deal that the horse decided to keep running there. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to tell if you've let off the stick or not. It'll run till you let off the stick. There's an apple. That probably means we need an apple. That's usually what it means. Another wrecked boat. Of course, can't go between those rocks. Okay. Didn't actually pick up the apple, did I? Got the water here. Just a few steps. We can go out far enough to see through there.
We better avoid the turtle.
Oh, okay, do we? Can we just avoid it? Yep. Okay. Did see a carrot over here?
All right, our horse has got plenty of carrots and our friendship meter is full again. Let's ride.
Yeah, there's another safe point. That coin's not going to come to us without us jumping. We could get over there without jumping.
Giddy up.
Okay, I got you woed that time. Same situation here. We can get around, but we can't get the coin. Oh, okay. I'll have to go in there. Oh, we did pick the coin off the fence, so this time it looks like. Oh no, I hear flies again. You stand down here in the water while I go take care of this. Those flies won't bother you. Is that the foal I see in there? Oh, okay.
There's a missing foal in this cave.
Okay, so we've got to get around and knock the plank down, it looks like. Uncooperative camera is uncooperative. Okay, there it's spinning. Well, a little bit. Still hear those flies. Seeing the ground for the shadows and for the camera angle. Okay, we don't need to leave the fold back though. Use.
Here you go. We should get this foal to a safe point.
I learned a lesson about squaring it up at the pyramid. The ice pyramid. Okay, don't believe we missed any coins in here.
Christy, Barbie here. I've located a foal and got her to a safe point. Can you send someone to pick her up?
Okay. I trust those flies didn't bother you over here. Not sure where they are. I hear them. Maybe if that grass, I gotta get this coin. No, coins gotta be got. Flies or no flies.
There's some horse flies.
No! Horse flies, leave my horse alone! You know what? Let's get you a carrot, put you in the water. Okay, apparently the flies aren't bothering us, it's just Barbie. That's why I was able to run under them before with no trouble. So we'll just go ahead and collect the coins. We'll let little girl chill there in the surf. Even though I didn't see any surf. Yeah, there's the flies. Yeah, they're just not coming after us. Did we get all the coins? I think we did. I guess it's on through the cave now. Oh good, and that carrot tree's falling so we can fill up on the horse's meter. They sound really close.
Alright, our horses got plenty of carrots and our friendship meter is full again. Let's ride! Looks like this foal's afraid of birds. Let's get them off the beach so we can get the foal to a safe point.
We have to scare away the birds, it looks like. Sounds like fun.
Yeah!
Shoo, birds! Shoo! Get away! Shoo! 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 Do I have to get them all? Or just the ones between the fold and safe point? Oh well, there's only a few more.
That's it. All the seagulls have flown away.
Oh, okay. Top off. And, well, we're at the end of our time, so we'll take that fold to a safe point next time. Thanks for watching, and y'all come back.